Hello everyone, today I will show you how to tag someone on Instagram. And here's how it is done. Tap the plus icon at the bottom to create a new post. Select the photo or video you want to upload and tap next. Apply any filters or effects. Then tap next again. On the next screen, tap tag people below the photo. Tap anywhere on the photo and search for the username of the person you want to tag. Select their name and you can move the tag to the appropriate spot if needed. Optional features. You can also invite a collaborator to co author the post. Tag products if the post features any items for sale. Once you have added your tags, tap Done at the top right and proceed to publish your post. The tagged person will be notified. And that is everything you need to know about how to tag someone on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.